We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard and providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love to have a chance to show you why our customers write these reviews for us. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.